In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove view-only access in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to modify someone's access or are seeking editing permissions yourself, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account that has the necessary permissions. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you see the Share button. Clicking on this button reveals a window that shows you who currently has access to your document and their permission levels. Here, you need to locate the person whose access you'd like to modify or remove. If you're the owner or have been given edit rights, you should see a list of emails with corresponding permission levels next to them. Find the specific person in that list. Next to the person's permission level, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to view and change their current access level. From the drop-down, you can select either Editor, Commenter, or Viewer, depending on what access you want to grant or restrict. If you want to remove their access entirely, look for an option to remove them from the list altogether. After making the necessary changes, remember to click Done to ensure that your changes are saved and applied. Now, let's talk about what to do if you're the one with view-only access and you need editing permissions. Your screen, when you open the Google Sheet, will look slightly different. Without direct edit access, you'll not be able to change or modify anything in the document. To request editing permissions, look for a Request Edit Access button on the toolbar or somewhere around the header area. Clicking this button will prompt a form to appear. In the request form, be sure to fill in your name, your email address, and a message explaining why you need editing rights. Craft this message thoughtfully. It should clearly communicate your purpose for needing access. Once you're finished composing your request, hit the Send button. This sends an email to the sheet owner or the person who initially shared the document with you. And there you have it. Whether you're removing view-only status for others or requesting more access yourself, these steps should guide you smoothly through the process. Remember that changes in permissions might need time for approval, especially if you're the one requesting editing rights. Be sure to check back for any updates, and don't hesitate to follow up if you haven't heard back in a reasonable time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and feel free to explore our channel for more useful Google Sheets tips and tricks.